Ma'am, may bago ng leadership?
Yes.
You're okay with
We're
it?
here to work, of course. Yes.
Ma'am, so
Congratulations.
we're willing to work with the new majority for the, well, sa impeachment.
Oo naman. Of course.
Opo.
We have 1998 we've been there, done that.
Okay.
Now, number one, congratulations. Why do you... Am I
Yan.
barred from coming in?
Hindi naman, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Hindi, ma'am.
No, I don't.
Ma'am, okay, number one.
Should I follow the security measure?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, you were saying po number
Am
one.
I late na sa CA?
Hindi pa, ma'am. Ma'am, next continue number one.
Later.
Ma'am, yan na.
Bakit nangaharang ang... Ganun tayo ngayon? Nangaharang sila?
Ma'am, kanina lang, number one.
Congratulations. I'm truly, sincerely happy kay Sherwin.
Okay.
He's a good friend, very competent, brilliant, disciplined, and we work well together. Congratulations. So happy for him, for the institution.
Okay.
Number two, congratulations to former Senate President, Minority Leader Tito.
Yes.
Diba? Siya na ang pro temp. And willingly, happily, I relinquish because they have the 13 votes. And of course, congratulations to Migs, another dear friend, very competent, hardworking Majority Leader, and for the institution. So we must all work together. They have 13 votes.
Okay.
So we respect and appreciate and recognize the 13 votes to elect the officers of the Senate.
Ma'am, may allegations
Tama na ngayon.
Ma'am, may allegations of pressure from Malacanang. Ano ba yun?
Bakit akong tatanungin mo? Tanong mo yung mga pinipressure.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Rule 2, Section 2. Alam ba niyo yon ng rules ng Senado? O what is it kung alam niyo? Dapat alam nyo, pag nagtatanong kayo, dapat alam nyo. Rule 2, Section 2. The officers of the Senate will be elected by a majority of all. A-L-L. Its members.
24.
How many members are there in the Senate?
If you count Jinggoy,
How many members are there in the
24.
Senate? 24. Just answer me. What is half of 24?
12.
12. What is a majority? Is it half or...
Plus one.
Okay, so 13. They elected 13 today.
Okay.
We recognize and appreciate and are grateful for that.
Does it moot the SC petition?
I'm not the Supreme Court, but it should not because the June 3 is a different issue. That was 12. You just answered my question. It's 13 today. Bye-bye.
Thank you.